Hello guys, welcome to Tech Fantasy. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how to use Word to prepare your own CV. Sometimes you may not want ChatGPT to prepare your CV for you. You would like to customize your own CV with a nice template. So Word gives you the opportunity to do that. So when you launch your Word, you go to the New tab and it gives you access to templates. So what you have to do is you go to the search bar and you just type your CV or resume. So in this video, let's use CV. You are going to get thousands of templates. So let's go through and see which template is going to be nice for us to use. I saw one template, this one. No. Okay, this one is not bad. Yeah, let's use this template. So when you click on it, it gives you an overview. Then you just click on the create. So it's downloading our template for us. So here's a template. Yes. So we are going to do a little bit editing on this template. So the name, yeah, let's use the Tech Fantasy. No. Tech Fantasy. And yeah, I'm a YouTuber or content creator. Let me use content creator. Content creator. Okay. And this a little bio. Let's just use something. So, okay, so let's do I'm a passionate. Yeah, I'm a passionate YouTuber. No, YouTuber with the ambition to help my viewers. Okay, correct. Let's leave that for now. An experience. Okay, let's do YouTuber. No, let's do YouTube. When did I start YouTube? Okay, started. I started in 2020 to 2026. No, let me do 2025. Here, I managed my YouTube channel and what achievement? Managed my YouTube channel since 2020. with more than 1k, with more than 1k subscribers. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so you can change this side, yeah, and this side too as well. Now let's go to the contacts and the objective. So for this part, you can use ChatGPT to generate an objective for you. So let's say the objective is going to center on the particular job that you want to apply for. Do you get it? So let's say if you're applying for a content creator role or job, you make the objective fail or relate to what you're applying to. Or let's say if you're applying for a remote job, you're going to let the objective reflect on that. Then the contacts, yeah, you can just add your contacts. Let's say techfantasy@gmail.com. Yeah, and your website www.techfantasy. And you add your number and your country, and you can add your educational background. And yeah, you can add your skills. So your skills should be tailored on what you are actually applying for. So normally, let your CV center on what you are currently applying for. That's the best. Yeah. So after that, yeah, voila, that's it. So with this one, you're going to get a design, a best design for what you are looking for. ChatGPT can do the same, but this one, when you use this template, it gives you various design. Normally, the template you get from ChatGPT is not as well designed like this one. So after that, let's now save. Yeah, you can save and yeah, let's save. Then you are good to go. So that's the best way to save or to create your CV. And trust me, when you apply to any job, you are going to get it. Follow me for more tips.